Today we're going to cover some awesome enhancements to Supra's mobile website, like generating authorization and update codes for your Supra key. Let's take a look at how this works for eKey users first. To access SupraWeb mobile using the browser from your cell phone, visit SupraWeb.suprachem.com. Enter your eKey serial and PIN numbers, then choose Bay East as your association. Your eKey number is listed on the top of your eKey application. From here, simply choose Generate Authorization Code. An email will then be sent to the email address you have on file with the association. This feature will come in handy if you replace your cell phone or re-download the eKey app for any reason, since you need this code to activate an eKey. Now let's take a look at how this works for Express Key users. Again, use your cell phone's browser to visit SupraWeb.suprachem.com. Enter your Express Key serial and PIN numbers. You can find your Express Key serial number located on the back of your key. From here, simply choose Generate Update Code. For more information on these and other tools and tips for your Supra key and lock boxes, please visit www.supraekey.com or contact our member services department directly. And as always, thanks for watching.